Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, northern The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Fond du Lac County and east-central Wisconsin, northeastern Dodge County and southeastern Wisconsin, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Waupun to Hustisford, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Fond du Lac, Lomira, Oakfield, Southern Lake Winnebago, Taycheedah, Ashford, Byron, Eden, Mount Calvary, Brownsville, St. Cloud, Peebles, Oak Center, Pipe, Waukesta, Calvary, Mills, Marytown, Town of Forest, and Johnsburg. These storms are producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.